Welcome back. In this video for the Stonemasons Brisbane SEO case study, we're going to be setting up the new Google Analytics account for the new website and also creating a Search Console account. So we can jump straight over. So basically, Google Analytics is the Google platform that allows you to get some information on all the traffic that comes to your website. And then the Search Console is more for webmasters to give them more information, see any potential errors that might be occurring, and also it does give you some information on what you're actually showing for on Google as well. But we won't see that today because this will be a brand new account and it's a brand new website that only launched today. So let's jump in. Okay, so I've jumped to the Analytics new account page here. So we need to give it a name. Okay, we need to grab the URL. And we need to just select the right version here. That's loosely related, that's fine. And a time zone. Brisbane. Okay, so we have to accept all of our terms and conditions. Okay, awesome. So it has given us a code that we just need to put onto our website. But while we're here, that was the setting I was looking for. So we just want to set our data to continue keeping everything forever. We don't want to lose any of our old data, even after a couple of years. Okay, awesome. Let's jump over to our website and our settings section, header footer settings. And the same plugin that we've used to add our schema data, we can also use to add a site-wide code in the header. Since we're already using the plugin, it's the best one to use. So save changes. Okay, so that's basically all there is to installing the Google Analytics account and setting it up. I should say there is a little bit more involved in setting it up, which is more to do with setting up goals to see what we track as conversions and that type of thing. But that we will do that at a later date once we have all of our thank you pages and that type of thing created. We don't at the moment, so we will just keep it as recording the traffic that comes through. Okay, so let's jump over to Search Console next. Okay, so we have a choice here to add a domain or a URL prefix. For this video, we will just do the URL prefix because the domain requires updating DNS which is a little bit more complicated, and we don't really need that for this type of project because everything is going to be coming from the one URL stream anyway, so not too big of an issue. So we'll just grab our URL again. Copy that. It may verify it already just because we've already added the, there you go. Because we did the Google Analytics first, it's automatically verified us across. So that's all we need to do for that one. Okay, as I mentioned, there won't be any data in here because it is a brand new website that was launched today. But what we will do is go to the sitemap section. And we will add in the sitemap. This will get Google onto our web page and in getting it indexing all of our pages, which is exactly what we want. Okay, so Google will have a look at that now, and then it will start to index all of our URLs. So the reason I've done this after I've done a lot of the on-site is to get fairly nice looking pages before Google goes to have a look. Okay, awesome. So that's it for Search Console and Analytics. And we will see you in the next video.